Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ship World. One of the world's biggest vessel ever golden. So this is the alleyway in our accommodation. So we are taking the elevator from this is the sea deck alleyway. We are taking the elevator to under accommodation space. Now today we will have a tour from accommodation to engine room and we will see the different equipments in engine room. Right now we enter the under accommodation space. So here we are having the air conditioning plant and STP plant. So this is our air conditioning plant. This will provide air conditioning system to all the cabins in accommodation. Now we are entering the underdeck passageway. From here you can see the pipelines, steam lines, fire lines and the water line to the accommodation. So from here we will enter the engine room. We will enter the engine room from here. So this is the second deck in the engine room. From passageway we will enter here. We took the elevator. From here we will enter the third deck. And this is the third deck. And we are seeing the top of main engine. And now we are walking towards the control room. And this is our engine control room. So now we entered inside the engine control room. This is the control console. From here we can see all the parameters of the machineries which is running. This is the control room. And this is main engine. We can see from here. This is the bottom platform in the engine room. As you can see, bottom of the main engine. There is a crankcase door and bottom platform. And as we are going, now here you can see the overboard walls from the scrubber. And as we are working you can see some of the motors. We have the ballast pump motor. This is fire and GS pump, ballast pump, anti-healing. Now you will see the MGPS. This is to prevent our pipeline systems from corrosion and marine growth. You can see the cooling seawater pumps. And our scrubber motors are here. And this is the lube oil filters and lube oil coolers are there. Here you can see, now you will see the lube oil purifiers. This is to purify the lube oil. And we have 3 lube oil purifiers, 2 for main engine, 1 for generator. Okay, now we will go to generator platform. This is the bottom platform. We will take the ladder from here. Now we enter the fourth deck of the engine room. This is the generator platform. This is under piston area of main engine, local maneuvering stand of main engine. These all are the under piston area. As you can see the main engine on your right side. Okay, we'll go back to our generator platform. Here you will see the pumps, motor. These are the EGB pumps and 2 or 3 fuel oil pumps are there. Now this is our generator. We have total 4 generators on board. All are 8 unit systems. This here generating 6600 volts. It's a high voltage. This is our 4th generator, and then you can see the 3rd generator. BWRTS system. and the LT pumps are here. We have 3 LT pumps and another 1 and 2 generators also in here, and these are our main air compressors. We have total 4 main air compressors on board. Now we are entering the place. You can see the turbochargers. We have 3 turbochargers. After turbocharger, we are entering the main engine top platform. As you can see, this is the top platform of main engine. From here we are going up on the third deck so that we can get a clear view of our main engine. This is our main engine. It's a very big engine, MAN B&W, 11 units. It's a G-type ME electronic engine. We are entering the transformer room. So you can see the transformers here. All are big transformer. 6.6 kV to 440 volt transformers are in here, and some small transformer also. Now we enter the MSB room. This is the main switchboard room. Here we can see the panels of 6.6 kV switchboard panel and 440 volt panel. Now we will go to engine room workshop. This is the place where we will do our small welding works, cutting works. Here we are having the lathe machine and the tool board. All the tools will be available here, and from here we can enter our fuel oil purifier, this heater, and there are purifiers. On board we have 3 fuel oil purifiers. Here you can see the incinerator. This is our incinerator on board, and right side you can see our boiler, vertical oil fed boiler, and again back to our main engine. From third deck we are taking the stairs to the second deck. This is our second deck. From here only we entered our engine room, and again we taking the passageway and enter the steering gear room. Now we are entering the steering gear room. We have total 3 steering gear on board. It's a 4 ram cylinder steering gear, and we have 5 hydraulic pumps for the aft stations, that also in our steering gear room. It's a very big compartment, as you can see. We are going out of the steering gear room. Again back to passageway. This is the upper deck in the engine room. From here we can go outside of engine room. You can see the monorail. This is the aft side of engine room, and we are going to the starboard side of the vessel. And this is the starboard side passageway. Now we are going to the aft of the vessel. This is the shaft of main engine. As you can see the water flow from aft of our vessel, that is because our propeller rotating and we are sailing now.